In this video we're going to look at the external zones feature, in particular the side zones element of it, and how to add a filler. We've got a basic cabinet here. Over in the properties menu we have a plus button to open up the external zones, and we can add to the right side or the left side one of these external zones. Let's put it on the left side, make it 100 millimeters. And go over to this space that's been created now, click here. So it's selected, we can right click, and now we have an option to add a filler there. I'm going to click frontage and recess it by 50 millimeters. We can see our filler added. Because the left side is underpassing the top and the bottom, the filler butts up to just below the top and just above the bottom. We can select that panel, change the link priority to overpassing, and we see that the panel itself and the filler with it moves up. We could do the same at the bottom. Let's just undo that. An alternative we've got is to select the filler itself, change the type to groove, and increase the groove thickness from, well, nothing up to 19 millimeters. That now goes up itself. We've still got underpassing for the side panel, but the filler's moved up to the top of the cabinet. Let's remove all these changes and take away the filler as well. You don't have to just add a filler, you could put other elements into this area. Let's put some shelves in this case. And select 3. So if you've got a kitchen cabinet, maybe the last one in the row, and you want to just put some simple shelves in to butt up against the wall, this is a great way to do it as well. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.